Okay, so we're going to finish this page and then we'll be done, okay? So here we go. Next problem. Oh shoot, it looks like it's about the same thing.
Oh no.
Except, look at it carefully. You can group this one. So if you want to group it, you absolutely may. Look what happens when we group it. We can take an x squared out of the first two. What can I take out of the last two? A -4. And if I take out the -4, I'll have x plus 3. That is good news. So I can take out my x plus 3. And I'll be left with x squared minus 4. So I take these out, and some of you are still trying to square it or something. No, no, no. Just take it out, write it down. And then the leftover part is x squared minus 4, which factors into x plus 2x minus 2. So once again, we started with a cube. We got 3 parentheses, which means 3 dots. Every parentheses gets a dot, just like before. Where will these dots be? We need to get them in order now. So we'll have them at -3, -2, and 2. Now, none of these are squared. Your shortcut will work. Try one number. Any number you want, anywhere on there. 0. I love it. 0. 0 is in here. That's where 0 would be on the number line. So 0 would give me 3 times 2 times -2. Does 3 times 2 times -2 give me greater than 0?
No.
No. So that didn't work. Which means, what about this? This will work? How about here?
Yeah.
Yep. How about here? Nope. Open or solid on my dots? Open. So everything from -3 to -2, or everything from 2 to infinity. Okay? All right, look at the next problem. Now it looks very different, kids, but I bet if I gave you a hint, I'm going to put 2 dots on the number line, I bet you could tell me where they are. Avery?
Would those be brackets or would they be parentheses? I just don't know.
These are parentheses,
Right.
because the dots are open.
Okay.
And the dots are open because there's no or equal to in the problem. All right, so back to this one. I'm going to put 2 dots on this number line, and I bet you can tell me where they are. Even though the problem looks different, I bet you can tell me where the dots are. -1 and +3. Is anything squared? So I'm going to use my alternating shortcut, but I have to check one number first. So 0, 0's here. If I put in 0, I get 1 over -3. Is that less than 0?
Yeah.
Yes. So this section worked. What does that mean about these two? They won't, because it alternates. Clayton, you awake, honey? So my answer is everything from -1 to 3. That was so easy. We have one more to go. Hang in there. Oh my goodness. Look at this last problem on this page. How do you think I'm going to start?
Factor.
Factor. X minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 2, x plus 2, greater than or equal to 0. Kelly Berry, how many dots do you think I'm going to have on this number line?
4.
Yeah. There are going to be 4 dots on this number line. Megan Lee, where do you think those dots are going to be?
3, -3, 2, -2.
And I'm going to make sure I get them on there in order, right?
Yes.
When you put your 4 dots on there, make sure you put them on in order. Now look at your parentheses. Are any of those squared? So thank goodness we can use our shortcut. We're going to try one number. You want to try 0 again? It's so easy. 0's in here now. You have to pay attention to where it is. It's in here. So I'm checking this space. So 0 would give me -3 times 3. I'm just putting in 0 over -2 times 2. So that comes out to be -9 over -4.
Yeah.
Is that greater than 0?
Yeah.
Yes. So this section worked. What about this section? No. How about this section?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go the other way. This section. No. This section. Yep.
Yeah.
Now what about my dots?
What?
They are shaded.
They're shaded.
Now here is the trickiest of the tricky stuff. The 3's are actually colored in.
Whoa.
The 2's are not. Why? Because what happens if I let x equal 2? What would happen right here if I let x equal 2?
Yeah.
I get 0. And 0's fine except if it's in the denominator. So if you have things in the denominator, they will never be colored in because they can never equal 0. Does that make sense to you? The numerator numbers can equal 0, but denominator dots will never equal 0, ever. So my answer is everything from -infinity to -3, or everything from -2 to 2, or everything from 3 to infinity. Wow. That was big. Nothing that big will be on your quiz tomorrow. So we're quickly going to do a couple of problems that are like the quiz, and when you get them, you can leave, okay? So here are the 2 problems you're doing that are like your quiz. Yep. Here we go. Here's the first one. Here's the first one.
What is this?
This is your practice quiz. As soon as you get these right, you can leave. And you can work on them with each other, but I have to see both of your papers.
Wait, what? Oh, no.
Okay, these are your 2 practice quiz problems. Remember, this one has an inequality, so number 1 you're going to have a number line for. Number 2, you are not graphing at all. Number 2, you are going to multiply and cancel. You may help each other. As soon as you get them right, you can head on out of here. Please factor number 1 correctly.
How do you factor x squared plus 2x? I plugged in 0. Yeah, sure.
X minus 6.
How do you factor x squared plus 2x?
How do you factor what?
Never mind. I forgot to take an x out of x squared plus 2.
Yeah, you want to factor, are you on problem 2 now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to factor that into xx plus 2, because those are the 2 things that you're going to multiply by
Right.
then. Yeah. Back when you learned algebra 1.
I got -5, -1. No, it'd be negative 6 and positive.
Trey, are you talking about this first one?
Everything by x.
Yeah, it'd be negative 6 and positive 1.
Yeah.
You have to multiply everything times x times x.
I didn't mean to say
Like, you see that purple picture of
That's the type of way, you know. Are you serious?
Bring it up to me. Honey child, where are you going to put your notes tomorrow?
Actually works.
Okay, yeah, this is right on the sheet. What did you put in? Well, let's just try.
So you have to
0 will give us.
factor it out.
X 0 will give us 6 times 1.
minus 1x plus x.
I got x squared plus 2x.
Here,
I fucked that
everything
up.
by x plus 2.
What do you do once you like go across there? You did 3x plus 6. Then do you like
Factor that out.
boil that?
Yeah.
Did you get 3x plus 6 minus x squared minus 2x? And then did you turn that into negative x squared minus 1x plus 6? You combine like this?
I subtracted over an x and a 6, and it left me with 2x.
Oh,
Equals negative x
You
squared.
have to take time to check that because it's wrong. And you need to factor that.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Each like from here, this is like the same. You're supposed to get like the same numbers. Like that, those cancel out, and then you're
I'm
left
still
with
doing
that.
that. I don't know.
But move it over since I said it equals 0. I got 3x plus 6 equals 3x plus 6 minus x squared minus 2x. You forgot the gx there. But just when you do it, boil it.
Right, you guys guys gotta go, so we'll check these tomorrow. All right, I'll check